Away guys, I'm Lucian, a law student at Unisa, and today I'm going to be showing how to apply for a certificate at Unisa. But obviously it is obviously better to go to Unisa and ask them how to apply. Go with your documents, of course, your ID or copy your ID and your matric results, or if you the die certificate. And you don't need anything, you just need like to pass. Basically, if you pass your matric, then you qualify for it. But it's all about the space that is.
Trying to make a beatbox for this money on TikTok. Speak about money, I need diamonds on my TikTok. I ain't speak a lot cause I let my stick up. All this money with
So what you basically do is search unisa.com. So if you want to check what qualifications is available, unfortunately the I certificate is not available, but you press on apply, then you go to next, first time, then you go to step 3. So step 3 I think will show all the qualifications. Let's say law, because this channel is all about law. See, currently the I certificate is not available. But I think the I certificate is gonna be available September when it's the opening. But let's click on where's bachelor. Okay, let's just say bachelor commerce. No. So the maximum time to complete this qualification is 8 years. 21, I don't know, was it ASP? Okay, you will need at least 50% in your language and 50% in your mathematics. So guys, you need to at least have 50% in your maths. If you have a matric certificate, that would mean your matric certificate has to be 50% maths and 50% English basically to qualify for this. But yeah, and if you want to see like what, okay, let's go back. If you want to see semester 2 applications for 2024 are closed. So it was open, but semester 1 applications is going to be open. I don't know when. Home, let's go to home. But normally it shows semester 2 closed. But yeah, I think it will be open September. But you must go on this site so you can see like must like stay up to date because things like to change here. But yeah, that is how you apply for, that is how you look for qualification. Let's see if I can get the I certificate, but it's not available now. Okay, I certificate in law. So see, it is not available, but there is a such thing. But this is how you basically applied for it. See, now I did look here. Your ISP 15. That is easy to get. Your knees lead. How many? So 6 divided by so you need at least, if you get the 3 in all of your subjects, then you qualify for this basically. You don't need 50% in what 50% in that. This is like if you want to study for LLB, you go for this. If you want to study for LLB, but this is basically you're gonna do like 10 modules in 1 year. You're gonna complete it in 1 year, but you have to like choose which ones you want to do first. So the first 5 you pick is the first 5 you're gonna do. So be careful when choosing there. But my advice is go self to Unisa and go ask for them to apply for you, because applying yourself is like kind of difficult. Because I didn't apply for myself, I let them apply for me, you see. But yeah, this is basically how you do it. And even if you check the rules, you can read the rules, the purpose. Let's check how much it cost. But mine says it cost what, 22. Let's, okay, is now gonna bursary and also study loans. Bro, I don't want to stop do all of this stuff. Are you mad? What is this? Malicious. And yeah, guys, if you apply for NASFAS and the NASFAS application is approved, you should at least try to pay the minimum fee, because once if the minimum fee is not paid, you're not going to be totally registered. But if NASFAS pay before the closing date of registration, then you're sorted. But if like a day before, okay, you can't. Okay, yeah, a day before, if NASFAS hasn't paid yet the registration fees, try and pay it yourself, because it's gonna save you. Because if NASFAS don't pay, then you're only gonna be temporarily registered. You're not gonna be fully registered. So someone else is gonna be given that spot or something like that. But I don't understand how though. How there's such thing as spots and but everything is in online, because you don't do anything on campus and what. Everything is online, so they should have like unlimited students. You shouldn't have to like have now there's too little space. There's no classes then even. But I think I don't know. They have their rules. They set the amount of people that they. But yeah, that is how you basically apply. But you must wait till it's done. So yeah, let's go to home. Let's search again. I don't even know those things. Yeah, higher certificate. So we're gonna check now what you can do. So you can get a higher certificate. Okay, this higher certificate in education. Okay, if you want to like study education but you don't have the right marks to study education, you can study higher certificate in education, banking, retailing, marketing, banking, tourism. Okay, I went too far. Let's do. Okay, higher certificate in accounting, animal welfare, social auxiliary. Okay, here's the highest certificate education foundation phase. So foundation is grade R to 7 and seniors from grade 8 to 12. Bachelor education in the highest certificate. Eesh. To think about it, oh yeah, this is the subjects, the particular subjects you're gonna be teaching. Yeah, there's so many teaching stuff here, young. That's why there's so many teachers, because there's so many opportunities to study for a teacher. Because you can be a foundation phase in that particular subject and intermediate phase in that particular subject. But I would rather teach yellow, because in my high school that people never taught anything. My yellow book was empty. They just talked. That's all it did, my yellow teachers. In high school actually. Because in primary school they were still so. The PT, what was the grade 8, okay, grade 9. By grade 10 there wasn't PT, there was nothing. Grade 11 no PT, nothing. But I'm glad it wasn't PT, because I did not have the time to run with a mask on, bruh. They like literally made you run with a mask, and I didn't mad, bruh. I didn't made in, bruh, yo. Okay, yeah. That will conclude the video. I hope you guys found it useful. And comment down below what you want me to do next. Like, come on. That is the end of the video, guys. So hit that like button, subscribe button. Make sure you stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. And comment down below what you guys want to see next. Cause like, come on, man.